Here we have a super clean 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited model, 4-wheel drive, red and chrome. Really good looking truck. Bridgestone dealer all-terrain tires. Removable hardtop. Paint is in extremely good condition. 45,000 miles. Fully loaded, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Nice leather interior, leather-wrapped steering wheel with driver information center, hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control. You got steering wheel stereo controls, touchscreen system, navigation, built-in hard drive, heat and air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive on the fly, upgraded stereo system with rear subwoofer, rubber floor mats, really clean interior. The rear subwoofer right there, storage for panels. So you take off the top, and you got your roll bar, towing package. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy, no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 all week until 2 on Saturday. Thanks for watching.